It looks like Caleb wants a turn flying the helicopter. Do you know how to make it fly?
No.
That's right. But don't wind it up too much. Oh, he's got Thomas hanging underneath him. He's going up as high as the buildings. As high as the sky. He's going through the clouds. And all the way up into outer space. Okay. Fine, thank you. Oh no, we've lost Caleb's helicopter. How are we supposed to find it if we can't even see it? It's gone far, far away. How are we going to find this helicopter if we can't even see it? A telescope? What a good idea, Caleb. It helps you see things that are far, far away.
No off.
No off. It's up in outer space. Can you see it? Yeah, it's in outer space. Oh. Okay. Here it comes. It's coming down on a parachute. Are you ready? Clever boy. Right, in we go, baby. I'll get hold of it now. Good boy.